My previous career, I was a firefighter with the city of Tulsa, and I had my day off job. I went to nursing school because I was a flight medic and wanted to become a flight nurse. I was researching the programs. Most of them were online, and it's not something I really wanted to do. And then a friend of mine mentioned that there was a grant opportunity for a new course that was being offered in the Tulsa area. It was one night a week, and it was from OCU. And I lived in Oklahoma City prior, and I've heard of Oklahoma City University. It's always had a great reputation, and it was it's the nice school, if you will, is what we always were told when I was much younger. And this opportunity arose, and I was fortunate enough to be accepted into it. And it was like 4 semesters in 9 months, but it was a wonderful, wonderful class. It was all new, especially the leadership aspect of it, the health assessments, research, just things that are very beneficial for a nurse, especially in a leadership capacity on down the road. And some of the leadership aspects that I learned through Kramer School of Nursing, I was able to apply those to the military, the fire department, and now in my day-to-day current job as a CEO of a large emergency medical services. I am proud to be a graduate from here. I'm very proud to put that down and say I went to OCU and Kramer School of Nursing. I think the way the alumni can give back is support the school, support these students, tell the stories, give when you can. Help this out. Let's let people know what a great opportunity Kramer School of Nursing is, or OCU in general. It's just a wonderful, wonderful school. It may be the hidden secret of Oklahoma City, and we need to get the word out. And I think that's where alumni needs to get involved and help pass that word out to everybody that's around. This is a unique opportunity to learn and to foster and to take care of patients and maybe change healthcare in the state of Oklahoma.